Hey there, it's Michelle Densmore with Lucky13Fitness in Burlington, Massachusetts. Today I want to share with you a simple treadmill tip that will help you avoid knee pain when you're walking or running on the treadmill, or will help you relieve the knee pain that you might already have from using a treadmill for walking or running. This is a really simple tip. It is going to take you 2 seconds the next time you get on the treadmill, and if you do this consistently, it will rid you of your knee pain or help avoid it altogether. So when you get out on treadmill is a flat line here, or so we think, and we put it on the speed and we start moving. At the end of that treadmill, where that dips underneath to pull the tread back underneath it, there's actually a slight decline. So what that causes is a lot of knee pain when people have that treadmill flat. What you want to do when you get on the treadmill is raise the incline, okay, the buttons at the top, to either 0.5 or 1.0, and it's actually going to go from being at a slight decline to then flat. Because what you're on right now at a 0 incline is actually not a flat road, it's a slight decline. And so that's what's causing shin splints, knee pain, things of that nature. So putting the treadmill on 0.5 or 1.0 incline is actually going to bring it to a flat surface that would mimic a flat surface outside, and it's going to relieve your knee pain. And it's going to help you avoid knee pain if you don't already have it. You don't need to put on any more of an incline than that. Just simply pop that incline up to 0.5 or 1.0, and that is going to solve your knee pain on the treadmill. If you have any questions about running, treadmills, or anything to do with your fitness journey, shoot me a message. I'd love to talk to you about it. And if you found this video to be helpful and interesting, and you know any other runners out there that might benefit from it, please share it with friends and family, and hit that like button. Thanks so much. Have a great day.